powerful man here, the gray one, the most powerful man in Silicon Valley, Mr. Said. You can Google him, you can find everything, and that's his son next to him. So in one day, we were with two multi-billionaires and two sons. So we took that picture, and he was presenting all the ideas. It was a very fast meeting. And then of course, we took pictures with Obama and all that. And then because he's Cantonese, he's from Macau. He's the chairman of Macau Tourist Association, and he's also the Ren Da Daibiao. So I do all the translation for him for all this, okay? And of course, the good thing about, I was telling Mr. Bael, my husband, that, you know, he's a Singaporean, we're all bilingual, okay? So you can interact very actively with everybody. I saw this on the wall because I'm used to be called a Skype girl. Who use Skype here? Yeah, I love Skype. So it's very good to go to a place where Skype was born. So all the people who like, IPO famous, they sign a thing and then they put the plug there. So it's very, very interesting. So you will find your favorite company there, okay? And so on the top side, we also bring them to tech companies, actual, the future Google, the future Facebook kind of company. So we visited one, all confidential. That one is because our friend is the CFO. So we went in and actually see the invention, to see the thing, okay? And then there's conference, there's roadshow, they're doing the pitching. You see the pitching on stage. And of course, in San Francisco, there's exhibition and all that, okay? And there are many events. So we will bring you on 2 days conference, which is the Grind events. And then of course, you have a half-day tour of Silicon Valley. You can see Google, Yahoo, Facebook, Apple. And then I met two very powerful Singaporeans, which made me very proud. One is this gentleman here. He's the head president of Baidu, just posted from Singapore to Silicon Valley. And Jenny Lee, she's a very powerful investor there. Okay, and they are Singaporeans, so I'm very proud. So we want to encourage and create this platform and partner with PIF. Thank you for coming, to support this, because we believe that this is a time to, take a break from. I know all of you are very busy, restructuring, but to prepare for the next quarter, which is March. Okay. So part of the tour also we throw in one day Napa Valley. Some of this China business people, they own hotel. And all that. So we throw in one day to the wine country. So after all the conference, all the networking, all the presentation, you have so much contact and connection. We throw in a day to let you encounter giant. Because we are so near to this place, it's called Avenue of the Giants. It is the biggest, tallest street in the world. So we'll go there. And we will encourage the participant to go there for vision casting, because you really encountered greatness. You see that man on the trunk, it's really, really big, the car goes through the trunk. So we just spent a couple hours there just to, 思考, after going through all the valley, making all the connection, go there to really, maybe strategize, plan, where, there's a lot of connection you're going to make, okay? So our coming tour, Silicon Valley Global Connection, is VIP, and the special package we are promoting right now is 6,003 per person, and we only have 20 seats. Okay, so reserve that. So I run through, when you arrive on first day, we'll fly out from Singapore to San Francisco airport, and then we will have a tour of the city, because since many of you has already been there. So we can, if some of you have specific, places that you all want to go, we can, that part, just gather back in the place, you can do what you want, okay? So after that, we will go straight to the Startup Grind Global Conference. This is a big deal. This is very, very exciting. People from all over the world, okay, comes from this conference. In fact, I'm very excited to tell you, I just got the news today because I spoke to the Startup Grind Singapore chapter. In August, a group of them will be coming to Singapore. So if you are ready, you have visited the conference and with the connection coming here, maybe you can invite some of them to your company or to your factory to do a visit, okay? Or we can come here, you can continue to build a relationship. And then we will have a private tour of the tech company and startups. And then we will have, as I say, the networking, Avenue of the Giants, Napa Valley, and of course, because we are in Livermore, it is the biggest, newest premium outlet discount shopping in California. So you all must buy something for your wives, for the guys, and the girls for your spouse. And then after that, there's going and have an incubator meetup and pitching, where you will pitch like just now in front of a panel of angel investors, VC. Can I have a show of hands who is at the stage of raising funds? Can I just see so that at least we... Okay, wonderful. Congratulations. And then we are also meeting up, today the latest news, we are meeting up for meeting up with the Pleasanton Chamber of Commerce. So we are also meeting some official business network people. So you have a lot of opportunity. And now I'm going to pass you okay, so these are 2 events. Okay, you can Google and find all the details of the event on the right hand side. Okay, and we hope that you will just take the time and to prepare you. Today, Mr. Bayer, Carlos, will prepare you, give you some tips as you present when you come on this tour. So that's what we have. Now this is the itinerary that we will send to you. Later on after the thing, if you have any questions at all, we will answer it at the end of the presentation. Okay, can you just put your hand together and we will welcome Carlos Bayer.